my voice off, so let's not trip on that. It's like a man. But anyways, we're finna make some content. It's cold outside, but you know, the girls gotta do what the girls gotta do.
Okay. Because one thing about it, baby,
it's content, and we got some shit.
So some fire pics about to come real soon.
Yeah, period. So y'all, me and Cash decided to go take some content photos. So here's a little behind the scenes. My voice is still gone, but here you go.
Oh, I did have glasses.
Shit, in the car. I'm going back. There in the car. She's low.
I'm figuring you out.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, actually, that's why I wanted to have this open so I could see myself, so we could see ourselves. The raw
Yeah. See, yes, bitch. See, that's what I'm talking about. But you a natural with this shit.
I got so nice to sit in front of the mirrors.
You was a hoe. Yes, bitch. No, for real, because these is cute, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Put the time on a rewind. Help me understand, can you tell me now?
It's so motherfucking cold. Y'all know for real, what's that saying when they be like hoes be cold? Because yes, a hoe was cold, for real. It was freezing.
My big guns run around, run away. As the rebel comes out, then you go, call on me. When you call me, I come. But then you go again. With your deaf ears, open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from a life of the hopeless? Now yeah, you want, you're begging and crying. I want to fly, yeah, I'm flying to morning. Running away to the land of discovery. Running away from the suffering, I'm gone, yeah. Running away from the darkness, I'm out, yeah, yeah. I had done all the limits, going way beyond the noise in your feelings. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Running back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes, I'm kidding. Cry now from the side, now call my name. Fall down when you see me, you know that I will stay for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Young guys. Yeah, right. Yeah, my mind.
Honestly speaking, if you have any content friends, I recommend y'all go do this. We had so much fun. We were both going through so much. And we like, man, skip this. We're not going to be sad. Let's go get cute, get some content, put some outfits together. We was on the phone putting outfits together. And that's the perks of having fashionable friends. And we made some content. And we had so much fun.
But I'm burning. My mind is right. All these thoughts are troubling. Starting to give up my pain. Fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other side. When it's time to leave my life, then it tries to take me out. Tell you what I need. Right, yeah, I really need I need to free my mind now. I really need my love. I need to free my mind now. I really need China. I need to free my